Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS tables, and right now we'll be discussing about striped tables in HTML CSS. For zebra striped tables, use the end chart selector and add a background color to all even or odd table rows. So in our previous tutorial we have discussed about the CSS selectors. You can check my playlist. You can check our playlist on CSS selector or HTML CSS selector playlist, or our CSS selector playlist in full detail. You can check it so you can be able to understand what I'm trying to use this end chart selector for, because it's very useful. I've discussed about this also in our previous tutorial. You can check our previous tutorial on HTML table playlist, also table selector. You are going to see the table playlist. Inside the table playlist, I did a lot of advanced trick there, so you guys can be able to understand how you can use this entire selector in deep details. So right now we want to use it again. I don't want us to talk much. Let's just get started. Back to our document right here. As you can see, we are having this kind of overable table. In our previous tutorial we discussed about overable table. Now we want to use this selector. So now to do this, we are going to select the table the table row, which is the tr element, and we are going to give it end chart selector, because we want to select even or odd. This one you can select even there, or you can select odd. So now I'm going to select even. So inside it, I gave it even. So this inside this place, let me remove this first so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So let's just give it background color. Let's give it background color. Let's give it background color red. I want you guys to see it clearly. That's why I'm giving it this red color. I'm giving it color white also, so you guys can see the effect, the cool trick. So without giving this entered any value yet, let's see our document and reload. Let's see what we got. Now let's reload. Can you see no anything that is having red color here? But if you notice very well, we are having first row, second row, third row, fourth and fifth. Now let's give it even and odd. Let's see what will happen. Let's give it even first. When we specify even, you are going to see it's going to select this is 1, it's going to select this number 2, it's going to select 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on and so forth. Let's reload. Can you see this 2, 4, 6, and so on? If you have more, it's going to be selecting it like that. So if it's odd, we select, we give it this thing. Now if we give it odd, when we specify odd in this end chart right here, can you see it's going to select the number 1, number 3, number 5, and so on and so forth. So no matter the amount of the rows you are having, it's going to select it like that. So that's why I'm showing you this. Now I want you guys to practice this, because practice makes perfect. And what akorede is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day. Thank you so much.